Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for you to see what is in store for today. Before we do that, I'd like to ask you to please subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment on this video, and hit the bell notification before you leave, and let's get started. So the only thing I did off camera was put on my Color Street lip primer. It's clear, but I did do that off camera, so I wanted to mention that. I also wanted to mention the other lip products from Color Street, which is what I'm going to go into next, and then eyeshadow. So we have lip liners, we also have lipsticks, and our tinted lip balm, which has like a pH balance, which I used in one of the other videos. So it like changes to colors for the color of your lips. So I already put the primer on, so now I'm going to be using our lipstick in the shade VIP. We have like 4 different formulas. This one is like velvet, so it's like a mixture in between matte and satin. But we have other what I want to say, colors and stuff. If you want to check out my website, I have a link in the description and on my homepage. The reason I'm not applying it directly to my lips is because this is the one that I sample out to customers in person if they would like to try a sample of it. I can't send out like samples in the mail of the lipsticks or anything, so it has to be like in person, but this is what VIP looks like. Stunning. But I can send out nail samples. We also have nails, 100% dry nail polish strips, and nail care and stuff like that. I'm going to be using the Ofra Hiki Tutorials Everglow highlighter for eyeshadow with my Elizabeth Mott brush. So this is something that I tend to do a lot if I'm just trying to do a quick eyeshadow look. So I'll take the darkest shade and go in my crease, blend that out. Then I'll take the middle shade, I guess if you want to say, and then go above my crease with it, like a little bit more, like up here. And then I'll go on my lid with it too. And then I'll take the brightest shade, put it in the inner corner and on the brow bone, and then usually take like the middle shade and go like under my eyes a little bit. So this is like a quick version of what I would normally do, like on not a daily basis. Like I've been saying, I don't do my makeup every single day, but like if I want like a quick look, do you see how quick I did that? And that's something that I do like a lot. So if I'm just looking for a quick look, but I do have a lot of other eyeshadow palettes if you want to see me do tutorials with those. Hope you're enjoying the series, and thank you so much for watching.